Unveiling MyDHLife, a comprehensive overview of the platform and its benefits. Introduction to MyDHLife. In today's digital age, online businesses are thriving, offering entrepreneurs the opportunity to reach a global audience. However, managing an online business effectively requires the right tools and resources. One such platform that has gained significant attention is MyDHLife. In this video, I will provide a comprehensive overview of MyDHLife, exploring its features, benefits, and how it can help online businesses flourish. What is MyDHLife and how does it work? MyDHLife is a robust platform designed specifically for online businesses. It serves as a one-stop solution, offering a wide range of tools and resources to streamline operations and enhance productivity. From order management to inventory tracking, MyDHLife provides a seamless experience for online entrepreneurs. With a user-friendly interface and intuitive features, MyDHLife simplifies the complex processes involved in running an online business, saving entrepreneurs valuable time and effort. Benefits of using MyDHLife for online businesses. Using MyDHLife offers numerous benefits as an online business. Firstly, it provides a centralized dashboard where entrepreneurs can monitor and manage their entire business operations. This includes tracking orders, managing inventory levels, and generating detailed reports for analysis. By having all these functionalities in one place, entrepreneurs can streamline their workflow, resulting in increased efficiency and improved decision-making. MyDHLife provides comprehensive analytics and reporting features. Entrepreneurs can access real-time data on sales, customer behavior, and inventory performance. This valuable insight empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize their marketing strategies, and identify areas for growth. Achieving financial independence with MyDHLife. One of the key aspirations of many entrepreneurs is achieving financial independence. MyDHLife can play a significant role in helping entrepreneurs realize this goal. The platform offers a range of tools and resources specifically aimed at optimizing financial management for online businesses. MyDHLife provides robust accounting features, allowing entrepreneurs to track revenue, expenses, and profits. With real-time financial data at their fingertips, entrepreneurs can gain a clear understanding of their business's financial health and make informed decisions to drive profitability. Furthermore, MyDHLife offers integration with popular payment gateways, allowing businesses to accept online payments seamlessly. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also ensures timely and secure transactions, reducing the risk of fraud or payment issues. Exploring the valuable products offered by MyDHLife. MyDHLife is not just a platform for managing business operations. It also offers a wide range of valuable products to support entrepreneurs at every stage of their online journey. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, MyDHLife has something to offer. For beginners, MyDHLife provides comprehensive training resources to help them navigate the world of online business. From advertising basics to advanced marketing strategies, entrepreneurs can access a wealth of knowledge through webinars, tutorials, and expert advice. For established businesses, MyDHLife offers a marketplace where entrepreneurs can discover and purchase high-quality products to expand their earnings. From trending items to niche products, MyDHLife's product marketplace is a treasure trove for those looking to diversify their offerings and attract new customers. Training opportunities for all levels on MyDHLife. MyDHLife understands the importance of continuous learning and professional development. That's why the platform offers a range of training opportunities for entrepreneurs at all levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a solid foundation or an experienced entrepreneur seeking to refine your skills, MyDHLife has you covered. The training programs on MyDHLife cover a wide range of topics, including marketing, sales techniques, customer service, and more. These programs are designed to equip entrepreneurs with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the competitive online business landscape. Additionally, MyDHLife provides networking opportunities through its online community. Entrepreneurs can connect with like-minded individuals, share experiences, and learn from each other's successes and challenges. This sense of community fosters collaboration and growth, creating a supportive environment for online business owners. How to get started with MyDHLife. Getting started with MyDHLife is quick and easy. Simply visit the official website and sign up for an account. Once registered, you can explore the various features and resources available on the platform. Upon signing up, entrepreneurs will unveil the potential by pursuing MyDHLife. From there, it's a matter of exploring the different sections of the platform, utilizing the tools and resources that best suit your personal needs. Additional resources and support available on MyDHLife. In addition to the core features and training programs, MyDHLife offers a range of additional resources and support to help entrepreneurs succeed. The platform provides a comprehensive knowledge base, filled with articles and guides on various aspects of running an online business. Entrepreneurs can also access dedicated customer support through MyDHLife, whether you have a technical issue or need assistance with a specific feature. The support team is there to help, ensuring a smooth experience on the platform. Conclusion: embracing the opportunities offered by MyDHLife. In conclusion, MyDHLife is an invaluable platform for online businesses, offering a comprehensive suite of tools, resources, and training opportunities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, MyDHLife has something to offer. From streamlining operations to achieving financial independence, the benefits of using MyDHLife are undeniable. So if you're ready to take your online business to the next level, I encourage you to click the link in the description or visit the MyDHLife website to learn more. Embrace the opportunities offered by MyDHLife and unlock the full potential of your online journey.